In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror Android to Roku. Step 1. Check compatibility and network. Ensure your Roku device supports screen mirroring, Roku OS 7.7 or later. Connect both your Roku and Android device to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on Roku. On Roku, go to Settings, System, and then Screen Mirroring. Set Screen Mirroring Mode to Prompt or Always Allow. Step 3. Open Cast option on Android. Swipe down from the top of your Android screen to open quick settings. Look for Cast, Screencast, Smart View, or Wireless Display option. The name varies per smartphone brand, Android brand. Step 4. Select Roku device. Tap the cast option and select your Roku device from the list of available devices. Your Roku may prompt you to allow the connection. Use the remote to select Allow. Step 5. Start mirroring. Your Android screen will now be mirrored on the Roku device. Unlock screen orientation for better display if needed. Step 6. Stop mirroring. To stop mirroring, open the cast menu on your Android app again and tap on Disconnect. Or press the home button on the Roku remote to access mirroring. Now I have some tips for you. Not all Android devices support Miracast. Some may require third-party apps like screen mirroring for Roku. Keep devices close to the Wi-Fi router for strong signal, and smooth mirroring. Restart devices if you encounter connection issues. And that is how you set up screen mirroring on Roku with an Android device. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.